In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a Reddit account on PC. If you've decided that you no longer want to use your Reddit account, I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. Keep in mind that deleting a Reddit account is permanent, so once it's done, you won't be able to recover that account later. So before you confirm anything, make sure you're completely certain. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard on your computer. This is the main page you see after signing in. Starting from the home dashboard makes it easier to access all the account options you'll need for this process. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu, where Reddit keeps several important options related to your profile and account management. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your Reddit account preferences, privacy options, and other account-related controls. If you don't immediately see the right section, just give the page a moment to load fully. After the settings page opens, click on the Account tab. This section contains the core account settings, including the option to close your account permanently. It's a good idea to scroll carefully here, because the delete option is not usually placed near the top. Next, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page and click on Delete Account. Reddit places this option at the bottom because it's a serious action and they want users to review their settings before making a final decision. A confirmation window or prompt will then appear. In that prompt, click the checkbox next to the message that says, "You understand deleted accounts aren't recoverable." This step is important because it confirms that you understand the action is permanent and cannot be undone later. Finally, click on Delete to complete the process. Once you do that, your Reddit account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Those are the exact steps to permanently delete a Reddit account on PC. Take your time as you go through the confirmation screen and make sure you're ready before you click the final delete button. If this guide helped you, feel free to use it again anytime you need a quick refresher.